Hi, I'm Jordan at Bulmann Dock and Lift, and today we're going to go through how to pair remotes to your Bulmann hydraulic lift. So we're going to take our two new remotes and we're going to go over to the control box. And pairing the lift, we have our instructions written here, but it's real simple. We're going to hold the light button down and then we're going to turn the lift power on while we're holding the light button. And then we're going to keep holding that button for about 10 seconds. Then we can release it. And I heard a little click from the box by pressing the light button. Works up, works down. So first remote's paired. Now we can turn the lift off, press the light button, turn power on, and keep holding the light button for about 10 seconds here. And then up, down, remote's paired. And with the way our system is set up, we're allowed to pair 3 remotes to it at a time. If we pair a 4th remote to it, it'll clear out the first remote paired to it. So it's a rolling storage of 3 different remotes. It'll knock the oldest one out if you pair a new one. If you have any questions, please contact your local Bulmann Dock and Lift dealer or contact us at bulmanndock.com. Thank you.